How to get a banner on Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Pinterest application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. And as you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now what you need to do is make sure that you have a business account, because creating a banner is the possibility feature that has been given to business account, not a personal account. So simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and select on settings. So here tap on account management, and if you have a personal account, you'll be able to see the option to convert to business account. But since I have the business account, I get the option to convert to personal account. So now let's get back, and what you can simply do over here is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and select on add cover image. So let's tap on add cover image, and you can simply select on a particular picture, and then you can crop it and then tap on done, tap on update. So that's how you can get a banner on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.